Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have layout number 3 coming at you for Collection Obsession using the Indigo and Ivy collection project pad. I will have all of that information linked below. These are the 3 papers that I have selected to work with for what I think will probably be a 1-page layout. I think I only have a couple of photos in here. Yep. So this is how I organize my photos. I will have if you're interested, I will have the video on how I organize my photos linked in the end cards. But let's get going. We're winging this one too. Let's see what we come up with. Hello friends, and we're back with the finished layout. The only thing I want to do is I need to do the journaling, which I think I will do somewhere around this area. And I am just going to add, I forgot before I turn on the camera, I'm going to add some gold enamel dots, just 3 of them here. So don't quote me because I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to show you a sketch that I had in my little sketchbook. It's been here for a while and I don't even know what year it is, you guys. So here is the sketch. It is page maps for sure. That is my writing on the bottom. So I'm gathering that it might be a July sketch, but I don't even know what year. I recently deconstructed my little sketchbook, but you'll see that it's pretty simple. It's a 12 by 12 layout with 2 strips of paper, some matting here. I just really like the idea of the papers here and here, 2 different papers, and then the cluster of the titles being, of the photos being here. This particular sketch has the journaling up here, but I am not doing that. So I'm just going to set this off to the side here just so you can see where I took some things from it. Sorry about that. I just kicked something. And I went ahead and I framed this green piece of paper from the project pad onto this busier leaf paper. So that is what is in the background here. I went ahead and I cut, I don't know, it is roughly around 3 inches here, 3 inches here. These are both papers from the paper pad or project pad. This is leftover from sketch number 1 or layout number 1. Why did I say sketch? It's layout number 1. And I've gone ahead and popped up the stickers. This was a sticker. This was a cut apart from the collection. And then this is a sticker as well. I've inked all of the edges with this ink that I previously used. It's I believe it's Hero Arts and it's called Field Greens. So there's that. I went ahead and I have layered some additional stickers back here. I have used some wooden buttons from my stash. These are from Pink Fresh, the BU collection. And then let me see. Oh, this is an old Paper Studio. They're puffy stickers, and that's where this came from, the little typewriter. And I did, here, I'm gonna pull these 2 because these are the last 2 things I used. I did go ahead and use the remaining pieces of that same little pop of that green from these enamel shapes from Close to My Heart that I had added to the kit. And then this is my washi little samples. So I did go ahead and I backed a piece of paper behind this washi right here. And I didn't think it was important to have the numbers or this color tone for like this, the ombre for this particular layout. So I ended up using the gold, which is why I'm going to bring in the gold enamel dots to finish it off. But that basically is the layout. You'll see that really the only things that I've tried to use is that I've tried to use the position of the photos, the 2 strips of paper, and everything else I kind of just winged. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this third layout, and come back and see what we do for layout number 4. Until then, bye for now.